Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is, who claims 1000th first class wicket? Answer is James Anderson. Veteran England fast bowler James Anderson has added another feather to his cap as he completed 1000 wicket in first class cricket. Anderson achieved the rare feat during Lancashire County Championship clash against Kent in Manchester. Anderson is the leading wicket-taker among pacers in Test cricket. In 162 Tests, the England great has claimed 617 wickets at an average of 26.67 with 30, 5, 4 and 3 10 wickets match hauls. Number 2. Who became India's flag bearer at Tokyo Olympic? Answer is Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. MC Mary Kom, the six-time world boxing champion, and Manpreet Singh, the men's hockey team's skipper, will be India's flag bearer at the opening ceremony of the Tokyo Olympic, announced Indian Olympic Association. Bajrang Punia, a silver medalist at the 2018 World Wrestling Championship, will be the flag bearer at the closing ceremony on August 8. Number 3. President Kovind appoints new governor for how many states? Answer is 8 states. President of India Ramnath Kovind has appointed new governor for 8 states. The new governor have been appointed for state including Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Tripura, Jharkhand, Mizoram and Himachal Pradesh, while some of the current governor have been transferred to new state. In some other new appointments have been made. Number 4. Name the author of a book titled The Four Lion Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Answer is Venumadhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. The book titled The Four Lion Essay for Gopal Krishna Gandhi, authored by Venumadhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. The book consists of 26 essays contributed by individuals drawn from various walks of life and from across the globe. Number 5. Laurus Lab had received a license to make and market 2DG from which organization? Answer is DRDO. Hyderabad-based pharma player Laurus Lab has received a license from the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO for manufacturing the marketing COVID-19 drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose 2DG in India. The license to Laurus Lab has been granted by DRDO as part of effort to make the drug affordable and accessible to patients. Number 6. Army induct 10-meter bridging system developing by DRDO in association with, answer is Larsen and Toubro Limited. The Army inducted the first production lot of 12 short span bridging system, 10-meter designed and developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO in association with Larsen and Toubro Limited, the production agency. The SSBS 10-meter plays a crucial role of bridging the gap up to 9.5 meter as a single span, providing a 4-meter wide, fully decked roadway ensuring faster movement of the troops. Number 7. Which minister had launched Nipun Bharat program? Answer is Minister of Education. Union Minister for Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched Nipun Bharat program. The aim of the Nipun program is that every child in India get foundational literacy and numeracy by the end of grade 3 by 2026-27. Nipun stands for National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. Number 8. 52nd IFFI to be held in November 2021 in which state? Answer is Goa. The 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India will be held in Goa from 20th to 28th November 2021. The regulation poster for the 52nd IFFI were released by Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting Sri Prakash Javadekar. Number 9. Which of the following bank has become the second most valued listed public sector bank? Answer is Indian Overseas Bank. Indian Overseas Bank become the second most valued listed public sector bank with a market capitalization of over 50,000 crore. As street discount privatization of a state-owned leader, its share have appreciated over 50% on the BSE. Number 10, today's last question of the day. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Lokyukta in Tripura? Answer is Kalyan Narayan Bhattacharjee. Veteran advocate Kalyan Narayan Bhattacharjee has been appointed as the new Lokyukta in Tripura. He has been appointed to the post for 3 years, WEF July. The full form of WEF, World Economic Forum. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.